Hey y'all, welcome back to Sweet Gem Life. It's your girl Keena. Today we are setting up for the month of March. Can y'all believe it's March already? I would lie and say that I don't, but y'all have no idea how excited I was for February to be over. So let's get into this. This month we are using this kit from PlannerKate. Y'all know I love PlannerKate. It is kit 312, the EC 7x9 monthly sheet. If you watched my February video, you saw that I used this kit as well and had to do a bit of altering. So today you'll see me get a little crafty, get a little creative. So we have this 7x9 kit, and then we'll be using this Warm Wishes pen from Villa Beautiful. This pen was included in the Advent kit. It's probably one of my favorites with this shade of pink. And then y'all know we have our cloth and paper inserts, and we have our pre-planning sheet from Fancy Plans Co. I'll have that link below. I'll have everything linked below, and then we can go ahead and get into this. So if you're interested in seeing what March looks like for me, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get these pages off the discs and get this out of the way. And I'm gonna need my pre-planning sheet, right? I'm playing without the pre-plan, and then you gotta have a pre-plan for the pre-plan. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm not gonna do much talking. I'll get some music cut on, and we could go ahead and get this thing popping. right, y'all, so we are set up for the month of March. I'm pretty sure, like last month, I said I didn't have a lot going on that month, and you should see that spread after the pen now. So here is our setup using the PlannerKate kit. I hope you enjoyed this video because I really love this color scheme this month. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.